Solve the equations y equals x squared minus 5 and y equals 2x minus 2. Well, what we've got here is we've got both equations where it's y equals something. So if y is this and y is also this, then we're saying that they're actually equal to each other. So we've got x squared minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 2 because they're both equal to y, so they're both the same. So it's looking like I need to get it in the form of a quadratic because there's an x squared in it. I have to get it equal to 0, so let's just do a little balance method on it. So I'm going to take away 2x from both sides, which is going to get me x squared minus 2x minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Notice how I've put the minus 2x in the middle, so we keep it in the form of something x squared plus something x plus something. And then I need to add 2 to both sides. And that's going to get me x squared minus 2x. Negative 5 add 2 is negative 3, and that's equal to 0. So I'm going to rewrite that up here. And I'm going to see if I can factorise that. That's the first thing that I would be doing. So this is going to be x squared. So that's x, and that's x. This is going to be minus 3. So I'm looking for my factor pairs of minus 3. So let's just look for factor pairs of 3 to start with. And the only one is 1 and 3. Can I make negative 2? I can by doing minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 3 times positive 1 is minus 3. So that works. So I've got x minus 3 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. And I can do my little balance methods here. So I know that either I've got two numbers that timesing to give 0. So either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Little balance method here, a little balance method here. Add 3 to both sides and I get x equals 3. Take away 1 from both sides and I get x equals minus 1. So there's my x values. That's what I've got for my x values so far. And now I need to figure out, well, what is my y value when I've got that? Now I'm going to pick the easiest equation to use, which is this bottom one. So y equals 2x minus 2. So I want to know what is y when x is 3. So let's put that in. X is 3, so it's 2 times 3. Take away 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Take away 2 is 4. So I've got the coordinates here of x is 3, y is 4. I also need to do it for the other x value that I got, so I got x equals 1. So again, use the bottom equation, y is 2x minus 2. Substituting x is minus 1. So it's 2 times negative 1, take away 2. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Take away 2 is negative 4. So then my final coordinate, x is minus 1 and y is negative 4.